Explore the intricacies of binary file input-output in Python, focusing on advanced techniques for precise data handling. This presentation will guide experienced developers through the nuances of data persistence and manipulation, ensuring efficient and accurate file operations. Reading binary data efficiently involves using Python's built-in functions like open with RB mode and read for byte-level access. Utilize struct for unpacking data into Python objects, ensuring precise data extraction. This approach minimizes overhead, offering speed and accuracy, especially crucial for handling large data sets or complex data structures. Binary files store raw byte sequences, offering direct memory representation and compact storage, ideal for numeric data and media. They ensure faster input, output, and precise byte control. Text files, while human-readable, depend on encoding and require character interpretation, leading to larger sizes and processing overhead. Choose based on efficiency needs and data type. Binary files are crucial for media files, ensuring exact byte sequences for images, audio, and video. In database storage, they enable efficient serialization with minimal overhead. Network protocols benefit from dense data packing, reducing bandwidth. Scientific data, like large floating point arrays, maintain precision and efficiency without text conversion. Opening binary files in Python requires the correct file mode. Use RB for reading, WB for writing, AB for appending, and R+B for simultaneous read or write. The B flag ensures raw byte stream handling, avoiding text encoding issues. Context managers guarantee file closure, even if exceptions arise, maintaining data integrity. Python provides versatile methods for reading binary data. The read size function retrieves a specified number of bytes, while read1 size offers buffered input-output control, potentially returning fewer bytes. For performance-critical tasks, read_into buffer reads data directly into a pre-allocated buffer, eliminating intermediate byte objects and enhancing efficiency. Reading entire files is straightforward, but can be memory-intensive. Chunked reading, using a loop with a defined chunk size, optimizes memory usage. The read_into method enhances performance by directly filling a pre-allocated buffer, avoiding extra byte objects. Seeking allows precise access to file positions, enabling efficient data retrieval from specific locations. Writing binary data involves several core operations. The write method handles bytes-like objects, ensuring precise control over data. Use byte arrays for buffer writes and write lines for bulk operations. Flushing is essential to move data from memory to disk, safeguarding against data loss during unexpected shutdowns. This ensures data integrity and persistence. Random access in binary files is facilitated by the seek and tell methods, allowing precise file positioning. Use seek for absolute, relative, and end-relative positioning, enhancing efficiency by accessing specific records directly. For instance, seek02 moves to the file's end, while tell retrieves the current position. This method is fast and ideal for random access patterns. Bytes are immutable sequences of integers from 0 to 255, created with a B prefix or bytes constructor. Byte arrays, however, are mutable, allowing in-place modifications, ideal for building or altering binary data. Memory view provides zero-copy access to byte buffers, enabling efficient slicing without data duplication, crucial for high-performance binary processing. The struct module is crucial for converting Python objects to C-style binary data and vice versa. It uses format strings to define data types and byte order, facilitating interaction with binary file formats, network protocols, and hardware. This eliminates the need for manual bit manipulation, ensuring efficient and accurate data handling. Understanding struct format characters is crucial for precise data manipulation. Characters like B, H, I, and F define data types and sizes, while byte order prefixes such as E and determine data arrangement. This ensures compatibility across different systems, especially when dealing with network protocols or hardware interfaces. The pack function in Python's struct module converts values into a bytes object using a format string, allowing precise binary layout control. For example, struct.pack force HHI BPYT 1 0 0x1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 packs data as a 4-byte little endian integer. The format string dictates memory layout, crucial for data exchange between systems. In our binary database, each employee record is precisely 64 bytes, ensuring efficient access. The format includes a 4-byte ID, 32-byte name, 4-byte salary, and 8-byte hire date, with 16 bytes of padding. This structure allows for quick retrieval and updates, crucial for handling large datasets effectively. Using fixed-size records in our employee database allows efficient O1 random access. Writing records involves specifying details like ID, name, salary, and hire date. Reading a specific record, such as Bob Smith's, demonstrates this efficiency. Updating records, like giving a raise, is straightforward by seeking the correct position and modifying the data. Binary file headers are crucial for metadata storage, including version info, record counts, and checksums. Using struct, define headers with a magic number for validation, version fields for evolution, and reserved fields for future use. This ensures forward compatibility and efficient file structure management, enabling seamless data handling and validation. Memory-mapped files, using the memory-mapped module, allow direct file content access in memory, enhancing performance for large files. This method supports array-like access without explicit input-output calls. Ideal for random access patterns, it efficiently handles files larger than available random access memory, with the operating system managing data paging automatically. Use struct for structured data manipulation. Handle incomplete reads by checking data length, especially with non-blocking input-output. Validate buffer sizes to prevent struct size mismatches. Always specify byte order to avoid data corruption. Use checksums or cyclic redundancy check validation to detect file corruption before processing. These practices ensure robust error handling and data integrity in file operations. Optimize performance by using buffer sizes between 4 kilobytes and 1 megabyte for efficient memory and I/O. Pre-allocate byte arrays and use read-into to reduce allocation overhead. Minimize seek operations by grouping tasks for faster sequential access. Utilize memory view for zero-copy operations, enhancing performance by slicing large buffers without copying. Implement a chunked processing pipeline for large binary files to maintain constant memory usage. Read, process, and write in chunks, such as 1 megabyte, to balance input-output efficiency. For instance, apply XOR encryption to each chunk before writing. This method ensures efficient handling of files regardless of size, optimizing both performance and resource management. Binary input-output is crucial for image processing, especially with bitmap files. Reading a bitmap header involves checking the signature BM to confirm validity. The file size and reserved bytes are unpacked using struct. This process is foundational for tasks like resizing or format conversion in image processing pipelines. Testing binary file operations is crucial for robust code. Utilize I/O bytes I/O for efficient in-memory testing, avoiding file system overhead. For instance, test employee database functions by writing and reading data in memory, ensuring accuracy with assertions. Similarly, verify struct pack, unpack symmetry to maintain data integrity. These practices ensure reliable binary input-output operations. Avoid common pitfalls in binary file operations. Always open files with RB, WB, or R+B to prevent data corruption. Use explicit byte orders like OR for compatibility. Validate file signatures and checksums to ensure data integrity. Optimize performance with chunked reading, and manage resources efficiently using context managers to prevent memory leaks. You've mastered binary versus text file fundamentals, efficient data handling, and struct usage for precision. Enhance your skills by exploring Python's Pickle module, studying binary formats like PNG and zip, and building your own binary file projects. These steps will solidify your understanding and application of binary I/O in real-world scenarios.